Hello everyone, and in this video I will show you how you can open a bank account in Argentina. So the first step is I will simply search for this particular bank account, which is ABN Amaro Bank. So I will simply go for their official website, and as you can see, you just need to scroll all the way down until you see this customer section and go for this personal banking. Now once you are on this particular page, you just need to tap on this open up bank account. Once you go for it, we have these four options. Either you can open for yourself, you can go with your my child option, or us together as well. For me, I will simply tap on this myself, and now I just need to scroll down, and now we have all the necessary parts of completing this process. The first step is you need to download the application, search for the Amaro Bank on your Play Store or App Store, and make sure that you are at least 18 years old and have official home address in Netherlands. The next step is you need to submit your proof of identity. You need to take a picture of your identity document, and then you need to follow all the on-screen instructions. Once you do so, the next step is upload your extract from the municipal personal records database, and then you need to take a picture of your own self. You need to make sure that you don't have any backlight and hold the camera directly in front of your face so that they can match with your ID card. At the end, we have to answer some more questions. You need to answer all of these questions after you have submitted these documents. And at the end, we have the details about when you will receive your email. You will receive your email in 4 hours after completing the application. If your application is approved, the message will also explain the next step, and your account will soon be ready in use. So this will take about few minutes, as it's saying on their official website as well. So hope this helped. This is how you can open a bank account in Argentina.